Have you ever wondered how to build natural muscles without supplements? It's a question many of us have asked ourselves at some point. There's a common misconception out there that the road to muscle growth is paved with expensive, high-tech supplements. But is that really the case? Do we need to empty our wallets into the pockets of supplement companies to see results? The answer, quite simply, is no. There's a more natural, sustainable, and cost-effective way to build muscle. And it doesn't involve a single protein shake or magic pill. This video is here to debunk those myths and guide you step by step on the path to natural muscle growth. We'll explore the fundamentals of muscle development, the significance of a balanced diet, the importance of a well-planned exercise regimen, and the role of patience and consistency in this journey. So, if you're ready to learn how to sculpt your body without relying on supplements, then stick around for this enlightening journey. First, it's essential to understand how muscles grow. Muscle growth, or hypertrophy, is a fascinating process that involves a lot more than just lifting heavy weights. It's a carefully orchestrated dance of cellular reactions, all designed to respond to the stress we place on our muscles during exercise. Let's break it down. When you lift a weight, you're essentially causing microscopic damage to your muscle fibers. This might sound bad, but it's actually a crucial part of the process. Your body then kicks into repair mode, rushing to fix the damage. This repair process happens at a cellular level. The body repairs or replaces damaged muscle fibers through a cellular process that fuses muscle fibers together to create new muscle protein strands, also known as myofibrils. These repaired myofibrils increase in thickness and number to create muscle growth. But here's the kicker. This doesn't happen while you're lifting weights. It happens when you're resting. That's right, your muscles grow when you're not working out. It's during this rest period that your body gets to work repairing and strengthening the damaged fibers, building them back up to be stronger and thicker than before. Now this is where progressive overload comes into play. This principle involves gradually increasing the stress placed on your body during exercise, essentially causing more damage for your body to repair. The more stress you place on your muscles, the more they have to adapt and grow to handle this increased load. But remember, this growth doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and consistent effort. It's a slow and steady process, but with patience the results can be significant. So, muscle growth is all about the body's response to stress or damage, which it repairs and strengthens. It's an ongoing cycle of stress, damage, repair, and growth. It's about pushing your body to its limits, then giving it the rest and nutrients it needs to recover and come back stronger. That's the beauty and complexity of muscle growth. Now that we understand how muscles grow, let's delve into the role of nutrition. A balanced diet is the cornerstone for muscle growth. No matter how hard and consistently you train, without the right nutrition, your muscles simply won't grow to their full potential. So, let's break down the essential components of a balanced diet for muscle growth. First up, a caloric surplus. This means consuming more calories than your body burns in a day. Think of it as the fuel for your muscle-building machine. Without enough fuel, the machine can't run. The surplus of calories provides the energy needed for the muscle repair and growth process. Next, we have protein. Protein is the building block of muscles. It's essential for repairing the muscle tissues broken down during workouts and building new muscle tissue. Aim for a diet rich in high-quality proteins like lean meats, dairy, eggs, and plant-based options like beans and lentils. Now let's talk about carbohydrates and fats. Often misunderstood, these nutrients play crucial roles too. Carbohydrates are your body's main energy source. They fuel your workouts, and post-workout, they help replenish muscle glycogen stores. Healthy fats, on the other hand, are vital for hormone production, including testosterone, an important hormone for muscle growth. Of course, it's not just about these macronutrients. A truly balanced diet also includes a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, providing a wealth of vitamins and minerals. These micronutrients support overall health and optimize bodily functions, including the muscle-building process. And let's not forget about hydration. Water plays a key role in every cellular process, including muscle recovery and growth. So, keep that water bottle close by. In conclusion, a balanced diet is more than just eating more. It's about consuming the right balance of nutrients to fuel your workouts, promote muscle growth, and support your overall health. Remember, your muscles are built in the kitchen as much as they are in the gym. Nutrition alone won't give you the gains you're looking for. You need an effective workout regimen. Building natural muscles requires more than just a balanced diet. You need an effective workout regimen that targets all muscle groups. From your biceps to your calves, each muscle group plays a critical role in your overall physique and strength. By neglecting certain areas, you risk not only an imbalanced physique but also potential injury due to muscular disparities. So make sure your workout regimen includes exercises for every muscle group. Now let's talk about compound exercises. These are exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once. Think squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups. Compound exercises are a powerhouse for muscle growth because they allow you to lift heavier weights and stimulate more muscle fibers compared to isolation exercises. They also help improve coordination and balance, which can be beneficial in your day-to-day activities. But exercising is not just about lifting weights. It's about lifting heavier over time. This is what we call progressive overload. Progressive overload is a gradual increase in volume, intensity, frequency, or time in order to achieve the targeted goal of the individual. It's basically challenging your body to adapt to a tension that is above and beyond what it has previously experienced. So, whether you're adding more weight, doing more reps, or increasing the frequency of your workouts, you're practicing progressive overload. And this, my friends, is the secret sauce to muscle growth. However, while it's important to push your boundaries, it's equally important to give your body time to rest and recover. When you work out, you're essentially creating tiny tears in your muscles. It's during recovery that these tears heal and your muscles grow. Without sufficient recovery time, you risk overtraining, which can lead to a plateau or even regression in your progress. Recovery isn't just about taking rest days though. It includes getting a good night's sleep, staying hydrated, and refueling your body with the right nutrients. Remember, your muscles grow when you're resting, not when you're working out. So don't skimp on your Z's and make sure you're fueling your body properly. To sum up, an effective workout regimen is a balanced blend of exercises that target all muscle groups, compound exercises, progressive overload, and ample recovery time. It's a cycle of exertion and recovery, challenge and rest. It's not about pushing yourself to the brink of exhaustion every single day. It's about smart, sustainable, and balanced training. Your workout regimen should challenge you, but it should also give you ample time for recovery. Building muscles naturally is not an overnight process. It requires consistency and patience. Let's think about building muscles as building a house. You can't just pile up bricks and expect a mansion to magically appear. It's a process. You lay the foundation, one brick at a time, day after day. The same applies to muscle growth. It's not about going all out for a week and expecting Herculean results. It's about showing up every single day, doing your best, and laying your own bricks of progress. Consistency is the cornerstone of any successful muscle-building journey. It's easy to get caught up in the latest diet trends or the most intense workout routines, but the truth is, the key to natural muscle growth lies in sticking to a balanced diet and a well-rounded exercise regimen over time. Every meal you consume, every rep you complete, contributes to your goal. However, keep in mind that consistency doesn't mean rigidity. Listen to your body, make adjustments as needed, but always keep moving forward. Now let's talk about patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your dream physique. It's crucial to set realistic expectations and understand that muscle growth is a slow, gradual process. It's a marathon, not a sprint. There will be days when you don't see the results you want, when the scale doesn't move, or when the mirror doesn't reflect your efforts. It's easy to get disheartened and want to throw in the towel, but remember, every effort you put in is progress, even if it's not immediately visible. Muscle growth is not just about the destination, it's also about the journey. So don't be discouraged if results don't come as quickly as you'd like. Instead, celebrate the small victories. Each day you stick to your plan is a victory. Each workout you complete, each healthy meal you consume, is a step closer to your goal. In the end, it all boils down to this. Remember, consistency beats intensity when it comes to natural muscle growth. So keep going, one rep at a time, one meal at a time. You're building something great. While the journey to natural muscle growth is rewarding, it's not without its challenges. Let's be frank, building natural muscle isn't a walk in the park. You'll face obstacles along the way, but don't fret, we've got you covered. Let's dive into some of the common challenges and how to overcome them. First up, hitting plateaus. You're busting your tail in the gym, but your gains have stalled. This is a common issue when your body adapts to your current workout routine. So, what's the solution? Mix things up. Try different exercises, increase the intensity, or change the number of reps and sets. The key here is to keep your body guessing. By constantly challenging your muscles, you'll stimulate growth and break through those pesky plateaus. Next on the list is managing your diet. You've heard the phrase, "You are what you eat," right? Well, it's especially true when it comes to muscle building. The challenge here is ensuring you're getting the right nutrients in the right quantities. This can be tough, especially with the myriad of diet fads out there. The trick is to keep things simple. Focus on a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Don't be afraid to seek advice from a nutritionist or use a meal plan app. Remember, your diet fuels your workouts and recovery, so treat it with the importance it deserves. Finally, let's talk about maintaining motivation. This might be the toughest challenge yet. It's easy to get excited when you start seeing results, but what about when progress slows, or when life gets in the way? Well, it's crucial to set realistic goals. Don't expect to look like a bodybuilding champion overnight. Natural muscle growth takes time and patience. Celebrate small victories, like lifting a heavier weight or sticking to your diet for a week. Keep a workout log to track your progress, and don't be too hard on yourself if you have a bad day. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. It's also helpful to find a workout buddy or join a fitness community. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people can provide a major boost in motivation. Plus, it's always more fun to share the journey with others. Above all, remember why you started this journey in the first place. Whether it's to improve your health, boost your confidence, or simply because you love the feeling of being strong, hold on to that. Use it as fuel when the going gets tough. With the right mindset and strategies, you can overcome any challenge that comes your way. So gear up, stay focused, and remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. You've got this. So, building natural muscles without supplements is not only possible, but it's also rewarding. As we reach the conclusion of our discussion, let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've covered. Firstly, we dived into understanding muscle growth. We learned that our bodies build muscle through a process called protein synthesis. The more we work our muscles, the more our bodies are prompted to increase this process, leading to growth and strength. This is where our second point comes in: the importance of a balanced diet. Consuming the right balance of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats is crucial to fuel our bodies and facilitate muscle growth. Next, we talked about the effective exercise regimen. Remember, the goal is not to burn yourself out with excessive training, but to focus on compound movements that work multiple muscle groups at once. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses can be your best friends on this journey. We also discussed the importance of consistency and patience. Building natural muscles is not an overnight process. It requires dedication, time, and a lot of hard work. But, believe me, the results are worth every drop of sweat. And finally, we addressed potential challenges and shared tips to overcome them. Whether it's dealing with plateaus, maintaining motivation, or managing muscle soreness, remember that these hurdles are a normal part of the process. They are not roadblocks, but stepping stones on your path to success. Armed with this knowledge, you're now ready to embark on your journey to natural muscle growth. Remember, your body is capable of incredible things if you give it the right fuel and challenge it in the right ways.